Hello, everyone.
Welcome to DOC Pro.
I am Jack.
And I am Emma.
Where learning English is easy, practical, and fun.
Today you will learn how to talk about your hobbies in English using simple, everyday conversations that you can use with friends, classmates, coworkers, or anyone you meet.
Have you ever met someone who asked about your hobbies and you did not know how to answer?
Maybe you only said I like music or I like football.
Those answers are correct, but they are very short.
Native English speakers usually give a little more information to make the conversation interesting.
In this lesson, you will learn easy vocabulary, useful expressions, and natural conversations that will help you speak English with confidence.
Let us begin with the most common question.
What are your hobbies?
Here are some simple answers.
I like reading books.
I enjoy listening to music.
I love playing football.
I like cooking.
I enjoy watching movies.
I like drawing.
These are natural answers that you can use every day.
Now let us learn some useful hobby vocabulary.
Reading,
Writing,
cooking,
traveling,
swimming,
dancing,
singing,
photography,
gardening,
painting,
gaming,
hiking,
exercise,
music.
movies.
These are hobbies that many people enjoy around the world.
Now let us make our answers longer.
I enjoy reading books because I learn new things.
I like playing football because it keeps me healthy.
I love cooking because it is fun and relaxing.
I enjoy listening to music after work because it helps me relax.
Adding a reason makes your English sound much more natural.
Now let us practice a real conversation.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I enjoy reading books and listening to music.
That sounds interesting.
What kind of books do you like?
I like adventure and history books.
How often do you read?
I read almost every evening.
That is a great hobby.
Thank you.
I really enjoy it.
Now let us practice another conversation.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes.
I enjoy playing football every weekend.
How long have you been playing?
For about 5 years.
Do you play with friends?
Yes,
We play together every Saturday.
that sounds like a lot of fun.
Yes.
I always enjoy it.
Now let us learn some useful expressions.
I enjoy spending my free time reading.
My favorite hobby is cooking.
I started this hobby a few years ago.
It helps me relax.
It makes me happy.
I do it every weekend.
I practice every day.
I would like to learn a new hobby in the future.
These expressions are very common in everyday English conversations.
Now here is an important speaking tip.
Never stop after one sentence.
Instead of saying,
I like music.
say,
I like music because it helps me relax after a busy day.
instead of saying,
I like traveling.
say.
I like traveling because I enjoy visiting new places and meeting new people.
One extra sentence makes your English sound more fluent and interesting.
Now repeat after me.
My favorite hobby is reading.
I enjoy listening to music.
I like cooking with my family.
I play football every weekend.
Photography is an exciting hobby.
I enjoy learning new skills.
Excellent.
Keep practicing these sentences every day.
Now imagine you are meeting someone for the first time.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I enjoy cooking and watching movies.
I usually cook on weekends and watch movies with my family in the evening.
That sounds great.
Do you have any other hobbies?
Yes,
I also enjoy walking in the park because it helps me stay healthy.
that is a wonderful way to spend your free time.
Thank you.
I really enjoy it.
Here is another example.
My favorite hobby is photography.
I like taking pictures of nature and beautiful places.
Every weekend I go outside with my camera and practice.
It is relaxing and it helps me become more creative.
Before we finish, let us review the most useful phrases.
I enjoy reading books.
I like listening to music.
My favorite hobby is cooking.
I play football every weekend.
I enjoy spending time outdoors.
It helps me relax.
It makes me happy.
I would like to learn something new.
These simple expressions will help you talk about your hobbies with confidence in real English conversations.
Here is your challenge for today.
Think about your favorite hobby.
Describe it in 6 English sentences.
Explain why you enjoy it and how often you do it.
Practice your answer 3 times.
The more you speak, the more confident you will become.
Thank you for watching DOC Pro.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video.
Subscribe to DOC Pro.
Turn on notifications so you never miss a new English lesson.
Keep practicing every day.
Keep speaking English with confidence.
I will see you in the next lesson.